Hi, my name is Yuan Kim. I wanted to do a quick tour of my web app that I created. It's a health tracking app, and this is the login screen. And you can click on new user if you're a new user. Let's just create a new account just to show how it works, and then submit. And what that does is takes that information, it's a form submission, and it inputs it into the SQLite 3 database that I've created. So if you refresh it, it should show the new entry that I entered, yuan123@gmail.com. And as you can see right here, it's a password encryption, so if somebody hacks into the system, they can't just steal the password. And this is the username that I entered. So if we use what we created, it should take us in to our profile page. On here you can enter your stats, like let's just say you're 23, you're 67 inches, and you're male, and submit. And all that data will be entered here. And if you made a typo or something changes, you can edit your stats by clicking on this button. And you can go to the data entry, so you can enter your current weight at this time. Let's just say you're 555 pounds, and then your fat percentage, so just say it's like 16%. Hit submit, and that puts a point on our graph. This is a graph that I made from scratch. It's powered by D3 using SVG. So if you click on monthly, it changes to the monthly scale, yearly scale, and then you can change different weight if you want to look at the BMI, weight, or fat percentage. It should show there, the graph. So if you go to the progress page, home page, this is where users can share their thoughts, comments on whatever they want to share. So let's just say, wow, this app is awesome. And then you hit share. It shows right here. And let's just say you don't want to share it, you change your mind, you can hit delete. It'll delete. So yeah, that is it, and just a quick show of my backend. When the app is first launched, it goes to the app.js file, and it imports various libraries: Express, Body Parser, Router, bcrypt, and that will look for the folder in router.js, and this is my front end that handles all the routing. So if you go down here, this is the homepage router, the delete message router, login router. And then if we take a look at the SVG, this is what creates the SVG graphs. So it's powered by D3.json. So as an example here, if you look at this routing, the user data, it opens a database connection, and then it sends a database as JSON. It fetches the data from the SQLite database, which is over here, using the function that I created. Search body profile, So it uses this function to get the data, and once it gets the data, it'll turn it into a JSON data format, and then it sends the data to the front end, and then it closes the database connection. So the front end is going to get that data. It's going to request that data up here. When somebody opens the progress file, that sends a post request to the routing, and the router will send JSON data from the SQLite 3 database using the search body profile function that I created. Where is that? Right here. It sends the weight, fat, BMI, and the date. And then the D3 will use that and process that data and break it down into different data set, and then plug it into the XY value according to the month and the year. I'm working on moving this into React and maybe adding more features to it. So maybe in the future I'll do an update on this project, but that's all I have for now. So thank you for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.